Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Let's cook and bake. Today we'll be seeing healthy and quick breakfast made with ragi. This dosa doesn't require any soaking, fermentation or any grinding. You just need 2 ingredients and your healthy breakfast is ready. In a bowl, take 4 cups of ragi flour, and 1 cup of urad dal powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water and mix it well. You can even soak urad dal, 1 cup of urad dal. Blend it in a mixie and you can even use urad dal batter. Add enough water and mix it well without any lumps. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the consistency and add water if required. It should be a thin and a dropping consistency. The pan here I have taken cast iron pan, so season it with onion, spread the dosa batter, apply some oil or ghee, close the lid and allow it to cook at a lower flame. Our quick and easy crispy ragi dosas are ready. Enjoy it with your favorite chutney. It goes very well with peanut chutney. If you like my video, don't forget to share, subscribe